ama sio sahihi, ambao ni fursa yake Sam Gituku na Nimrod Tabu.
Right. Thank you, Rashid and Trevor there. And of course, there are many things that have been incorporated in Clause 76 of the Finance Bill 2023. One of the things is the benefits that you can reap once you start contributing is that you may purchase a home. That is, if you qualify for affordable housing, that is yet to be defined. It is understood that it will be explained later on in regulations by the Finance or the National Treasury Cabinet Secretary and the Housing Cabinet Secretary. But you may withdraw your contributions upon attaining the age of retirement or after 7 years, whichever is earlier. So at this point, there has been a bit of controversy because they're saying that whatever you take out will be subjected to taxation. That is what is on the Finance Bill of 2023, that they will be taxed. I want us to take a look at a sample payslip. Currently, if a person is earning 50,000 shillings, that is in terms of the gross pay, these are the sort of deductions that are coming to their pay slip. And at the end of the day, you end up with a net pay of 40,841 shillings. Of course, that is, so far there's no housing levy. So once it's introduced, it is at 3% paid by the employee. That is 3% for 50,000 shillings is 1,500 shillings. So that will be deducted. The calculation this is based on the assumption that the deduction of the housing levy will come before taxation. So before you arrive at the taxable income, then that will have been deducted. Of course, the Finance Bill does not tell the clarity on that, but this is something that you can get clarification about. But after that, then you end up with 39,611. So the net pay will have reduced by about 1,200 shillings. But even as we get into this conversation, I want to start with you, Kwame, because